The Caring Crocodile, short moral story. Charlie the crocodile lived in a peaceful jungle river. Unlike other crocodiles, he wasn't scary. He was kind and gentle. One day, after heavy rain, the river flowed fast and strong. A little monkey named Milo was stuck on a tree branch, afraid to cross. "Help, I can't get across," Milo cried. Charlie swam up and smiled. "Climb on my back and I'll take you across safely." Milo hesitated, but saw the kindness in Charlie's eyes. Carefully, he climbed onto Charlie's back. With smooth, steady strokes, Charlie swam across. Once safely on land, Milo cheered, "Thank you, Charlie. You're not scary at all, you're a hero." From that day on, the animals saw Charlie not as a fearsome crocodile, but as a true friend. Morale: kindness breaks fear and builds friendship. Thanks for watching.